paano natin makukuha yung Pythagorean identities dito sa right triangle? So, we have the primary trigonometric ratios dito sa right triangle. So, substitute lang natin. So, opposite natin dito is y. Yung hypotenuse natin dito is r. Dito yung adjacent natin is x. Then yung hypotenuse natin is r. So, sa tangent theta, opposite natin is y. Yung adjacent natin is x. Dito sa cosecant cotangent, reciprocal lang ito ng tatlo. So, r over x over r squared is equal sa x squared plus y squared. So, dito sa equation na to, so, ang gagawin lang natin is mag-divide lang tayo. For example, i-divide natin ng r squared both side. I-divide natin both side ng x squared. So, i-divide natin ng y squared. So, first is divide natin ng x squared. X squared. Divide both side by x squared. So, magiging 1 yung isa. So, bali x squared equals to x squared plus y squared over x squared. So, dito guys, r over x, hanapin lang natin ditong r over x, which is yung second. So, second squared theta is equal sa magiging 1 to. So, 1 plus y over x. So, saan yung y over x? Which is yung tangent. So, tangent squared theta. Ito na yung first identity sa Pythagorean. So, next is, divide na naman natin yung y squared. So, y squared. Cancel. So, r squared over y squared is equal sa x squared. Y squared plus y squared over y squared. So, yung r over y, so ito ay cosecant squared theta. Then, yung x over y, which is yung cotangent natin. So, cotangent squared theta plus, so magiging y to, magiging 1 to, so plus 1. So, ito na yung second identities. Then, ang last is yung r squared natin. So, divide both side by r squared. So r squared equals r squared equals to x squared over r squared plus y squared over r squared. So, dito guys, so magiging 1 to. So, 1 equals x over r is cosine. So, cos squared theta plus y over r is so sine squared theta. So, ito na yung identity sa Pythagorean.